Can I stand by the coffin? What am I seeing? It's mirror.
Mirror.
Yeah, it's mirror.
We no
I should hit here. I should hit all around. Camera, please be at a position where you can get a hit here. Middle. Yes.
Okay. Fapora no bu nyina guso.
Me mbonguso.
Nyina no kopre.
Today be today.
Oh, misala de bisala fada gba kweda gbe vila gbe cheche papa sa donia please ka fa at your time ga do gbe to gbe yaka. But ni agu mi nsemo ni. Pia de mi ye ni you, so. Okay. Oh, misala de bisala fada gba kweda gbe vila gbe cheche papa sa donia please ka fa at your time. Papa da gba kweda gbe vila gbe cheche papa sa donia. Sakpo busy. But your body mommy. Come on, 1, 2, 3, just fast your term. 1, 2, 3. Body mommy.
Come
on. Come on, 1, 2, 3, just fast your term. Sorry, here, move here, have here. Come on. Sakogiji, papa no bra. Hagusu. Sakogiji, my father bakwenda gbe villa gbe cheche papa sa don place ka fa church ya tell go go to gbe ka. Acho so bi no so o ngam.
Abuano. All right.
Sakogiji, my father bakwenda gbe villa gbe cheche papa sa don place ka fa church ya tell. Sakogiji. Sakogiji. Let me see. Okay.
If I go. Can we, what you used, can we show them side and side so they would know how flat it is? Some might think the bed was pushed into it. So can we let them see how it is? We na yeyi anomane sika ne film no. Ebia obi beka say o opia anomane edi shemu ade no so na we pia anomane de ahyem na anomane hyem ntwen.
Enti sa
anti yen dani echire enda na omunhu se de etie.
Se na cheche. Se na tie.
That is it.
Se na cheche.
So just so
you say bottle bi no.
So that's how it is. And then he closed the front like this. Before, yes, we're doing it so those who might think, okay, so he had the bed already tucked in it, just so you would know whether or not. Togbe, why is a coffin here? Why do we have a coffin here? Can I stand by it? Can I stand by the coffin? Can I touch it? Is something in the coffin? Okay, so I had wanted to open the coffin, so we all see what's in the coffin. But Togbe says that there are items in the coffin that we can open. Togbe, you have 2 swords by the coffin. What does this coffin do? Do you bury people in the coffin?
In fact, you said that OG me di na me so me di odi nchira me di ora. And I mean say the question media ko na me di ka ye ho am.
Why yet there was so here?
In fact, media ni bia ora dem hada.
He has never brought anybody into this room. Like it is not a room that is open to just anyone. He's allowed us in here, me and my crew, because of the trust he has for us and the kind of respect he has for our platform. And he knows that we are the only people he can allow to bring cameras in here And so this is the coffin. This
coffin. MP, minister,
so it is a room that only MPs, ministers, chiefs, kings, queens, and notable personalities that he brings to this room. Those who want prosperity, those who want growth and prosperity, they are the people that come into this room. Enti, sa coffin way, is it an ordinary coffin or it is? It is a spiritual coffin. There's power in it.
Yeah, you know, be a problem be ode ba
if your problem, beat me them, people sleep inside.
3 days.
You can.
So, 3 days.
People sleep inside for 3 days, or you can sleep inside for 3 days. And you have another one that we can't see on camera. But people sleep in this coffin for 3 days.
Yeah, because mom pay to me.
Those who, it depends on what you want and what brings you here. Then if you have to sleep inside for even 1 week, you will sleep inside.
But
so once he closes it, that's it.
Yeah.
According to Togbe Kedinakpo, Jamami Rosa is a very powerful spirit. And this spirit is only summoned when the going gets tough. And usually cases that come before Jamami Rosa are cases that involve a man and his partner. So if it has to do with marriage or relationship, and for some reason you have an issue with a woman or the woman is behaving, and you come to Togbe Kedinakpo to do something about it for you. If the woman still stays adamant and is not changing, he comes here at night naked to consult Jamami Rosa. That's why she's also almost naked. So Togbe will be here at night naked and call the spirit of this woman, your wife or your girlfriend or this woman you want. He will call her spirit and insert her name into this space you're seeing here. So there's a space in Jamami Rosa's palm. The person's name will be written on a piece of paper and inserted into this space. And the spirit of whoever he called would enter Jamami Rosa. Then he, Togbe Kedinakpo, would speak to the spirit through Jamami Rosa until the spirit agrees on whatever he's telling her. And the moment the spirit agrees here, whatever agreement they have here will be felt in the human being wherever he or she is. So this is why Jamami Rosa is from. And until Jamami Rosa, where that the panty jean strings and and Jamami Rosa also protects the entire house. So Ajayi Gbogboga deals with serious issues, work especially. So if you want your work or progress in whatever it is you're doing, this is where you come to have a covenant with the gods and also make a promise to the gods. And after the gods has accepted your promise and covenant, then an animal is slaughtered and fed to the gods. Ajayi Gbogboga. Ajayi Gbogboga. But Ajayi, I see London cigarettes.
Yeah.
I see London cigarettes. Who smokes it? Is it Ajayi Gbogboga who smoked the cigarette?